Hi friends! Do you want to enhance the appearance of pictures that you have inserted in your Excel 2013 presentation? Let's see how you can add effects such as shadows, glows, reflections, etc. to a picture in Excel 2013. Open Excel 2013 and then open the desired workbook. Select the picture you want to add an effect to, and then under Picture Tools, click the Format tab. Now in the Picture Styles group, open the Picture Effects menu. To add or change a built-in combination of effects, point to Preset and then click the effect that you want. To customize the built-in effect, click 3D Options and then choose the options that you want. Expand Shadow and then choose the options that you want to add, change, or customize a shadow. Expand Reflection and then choose the options that you want to add, change, or customize a reflection. Expand Glow and then choose the options that you want to add, change, or customize a glow. Soft Edge can be added, changed, or customized by expanding Soft Edge and then choosing the options required. 3D Rotation can be added, changed, or customized by expanding 3D Rotation and then choosing the options required. Artistic Effects can be added, changed, or customized by expanding Artistic Effects and then choosing the options required. See? That wasn't hard at all. Thanks for watching.